Hello, guys. So today's topic is Jupiter transit over your natal planets, right? So, what happens when Jupiter transit over any of the natal planet that is posited in your natal chart? I mean to say, suppose you have Sun in your seventh house, and what happens when Jupiter transit over your natal sun, that is in your seventh house in your birth chart, and Jupiter will be transiting over it. So what will be the effects? So I'll cover three planets today, that is Sun, Venus, and Saturn. So let's start. So when Jupiter transit over natal sun, so what will happen? So what is sun? You all know that sun is your father, sun is authority, sun is the king, sun is your enthusiasm, sun is like what your like what are your aspirations are, it is your motivation, and most importantly it is an authority kind of position in your life. It is power, it is government. So what happens when Jupiter transit over natal sun? So first thing is that you can expect a recovery in your father's health if that was not good in the past. The first thing, and second, uh, you can get promoted, and you can get promoted to a managerial position. Yeah. So it is very good transit when Jupiter transit over natal sun. So you can expect a promotion or you can change your job. So when you got a change, then suddenly you can get the first level managerial position. So what I mean to say that you can get an authority kind of position, that you will have people who will report to you. So this is for those who are in an organization. So it will give you authority and power. So it is a power, right? Manager has powers. So if you are in politics, then you can also get promoted to a higher rank. So it can give you more power. So you can also get a government job, and this is for people who are trying to get a job in government sectors. So you can get it, you can get power in any kind of, and in any field you can go to a higher position. And apart from that, for artists, like if you want some kind of fame, then it can give you fame also, but depends upon the other planets in your natal charts. Like if you have good yogas, Raj yogas, so that will determine the strength of power and authority you will get in this transit. So suppose you have a Parivartan, Mahaparivartana Raj Yoga, and you also have a Gaj Kesari Raj Yoga. So when Jupiter transit over your natal sun, then you can get name and fame and power, right? So the more positivity you have in your natal horoscope, the more you will get with this transit. So this is with the Jupiter transit over sun. So the next will be Jupiter transit over your natal Saturn. So Saturn is what? Saturn is discipline, your daily routine, your hard work. So when Jupiter transit over natal Saturn, your hard work will get appreciated. You can get the rewards of your hard work that you have done in the past during the several years. Okay, like I'll give you an example. Suppose your Saturn is in 8th house. So you started working when Jupiter transit through your ascendant. You got your first job, but you're struggling from that time, like for the 7 and 8 years. So after 8 years, Jupiter is currently transiting over Saturn, natal Saturn. So you will get the rewards of that hard work. you'll get that fulfillment. Like, okay, like you will get a good position in your career, whatever career you have, whatever efforts you had put in, you'll get the rewards of that effort, and your income will increase, your respect will increase. So all these things will happen at this time. And Saturn is also like the third class, fourth class employees. So you will have more help from these category of. So that was more about Saturn. So now I will cover Jupiter transit over your natal Venus. This is a very auspicious transit because Venus is, you all know, is luxury. Is Venus is luxury, Venus is your wealth, Venus is intimate relationships. Venus is all about relationships. Venus is a wife in a man's chart. Venus is marriage. So what will happen? So you guessed it right. So Jupiter will activate all these qualities of Venus. It can activate a marriage in a man's chart. You can meet someone who can be your wife in future. Apart from that, it can trigger luxury in your life. It can trigger more romantic relationships, harmonious relationships. It will give you prosperity in your career. In like your future will look bright. You can buy a land or a property. So all those auspicious things can happen in this transit. Okay. So, and apart from that, one thing we need to take care that if these transit happen in Dusthana houses from moon like 6, 8, 12, then the auspiciousness of these events will decrease to some extent. Like if this transit like Jupiter transit over Venus is happening in 8th house, then all these things can happen, but you'll become more lazy. Like you don't want to do much work, so you can lose this time. So that we need to take care. So this is all about like Jupiter transit over your natal Sun, Saturn, and Venus. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, please do comment, and I will post the other stuff also in coming time. So thank you very much.